What's going on, guys? It's Cade from Beyond the Box, back with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, we're giving an Oculus Quest 2, the Meta Quest 2, away at 20,000 subscribers. It's got 256 gigabytes inside. It's the best one you can get. They just raised the price on this too. They added an extra $100. We're giving it away at 20,000 subscribers. If you guys have ever wanted VR, make sure you subscribe. And if you guys don't win that, don't worry, because we're also giving away a PS5 at 30,000 subscribers. Lots to do and lots to give away on the channel. We're always unboxing something cool, and today is no exception. So this product has been out for a long time, since like 2017, but I've been wanting to get my hands on it for a while. The Bose QC35 V2, you can call it V2, but it's the second version that came out. You might have the V1, the first iteration that came out. Not much has changed except a slightly new design, matte black. It's got the quick charge enabled feature inside. The first version doesn't have that. So there's not much to take a look at it on the box, so let's just get right into the unboxing. I was told that these are some of the best active noise cancellation headphones on the market. We're gonna see and test that out for ourselves today. Nice case, very sturdy. Definitely gonna protect your headphones. It's got a little pocket in the back if you want extra cables, anything back there, that's nice. And there's your unboxing experience. Very sexy design. Lots of extra padding in here too. Let's see, what is this? See, the sad thing about these headphones, like I said, they are made in 2017, so they're not USB Type-C, they're still the micro USB. Not a big deal, but you're gonna have to carry an extra cord if you only have to carry your lightning cable or your USB-C cord around. But the good thing about these headphones, if you choose to do so, they do have a 3.5 millimeter jack inside, so that way you wanna plug them into an iPod, on the plane, it's gonna be helpful. I really hope they're not dead aside. Let's just plug it in for a second. Okay guys, we're back. It's been a few days. I actually had to plug these in because they were completely dead out of the box. They wouldn't even turn on if I tried. So let's finally try to pair these with our phone, finally, once and for all. And inside of each ear cup has a right and a left logo, if you can see that. One is specified for each ear. Perfect, connected to Cade's iPhone. There we go, let's go. Oh, we're not even using the proper app, I guess. Bose Connect. Oh, no wonder why we didn't find these headphones on the other Bose app. It was an older version of the app or a different app entirely. That makes a lot of sense. While we're waiting, I heard the stress test on these is really easy. Like, look at that. Wow. That popping you heard wasn't any cracky or anything. It was like me holding down a certain piece. Like, wow. You're not gonna break these. It's gonna take a lot of effort to break these bad boys. Skip creating an account, perfect. There we go. There we go, setting up. Perfect, okay. So these things do have Google Voice Assistant inside. You can use Siri or Alexa as you just saw on the screen. Easily pop it up. Now it's connected to my Amazon account. These things came out a few years ago, but I've heard they're so amazing, you can actually take these ear cups off, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. You could take each individual ear cup out, replace them with third-party after ear. Hopefully I didn't just break that actually. Okay, I think it's good again. And these things do have a quick recharge time. They have rapid recharge, which will get you 2.5 hours of playback after 15 minutes. So if you guys are on the run, that'll be nice. Let's check out some music. Wow, amazing quality right now. We're listening to the Avatar: The Last Airbender theme song. If you guys know this show, if you guys know what song I'm listening to, leave a comment below because only the OGs know what this show is. These things feel super comfortable too. They're pretty lightweight. Hopefully you can't get copyrighted because hopefully you guys can't hear them, but sounds amazing. Let's do some rap with a lot of heavy bass. These are awesome. Even in 2022, these headphones in 2017, 2018, they still stand up really well. Damn, The bass is fantastic too. And the mid-range sounds pretty clear and nice. Let's try some classical music. Let's go put on some Duel of the Fates. I see why these things are still $300 in 2022. These are fantastic headphones. Wow, amazing quality. So let's see if we press this button. Open the Alexa app and try again when we press the voice assistant button. So you gotta enable it from the Alexa app and it's ready to use. So, Alexa, order pizza on Amazon. She asked me, what am I looking for? Pizza. Anyway, you guys get the point. These guys got Google Assistant, these things got Amazon Alexa, and you can use Siri. I believe that's possible. I don't understand why it wouldn't be. I got a HomePod over there, so let's see if this works. Hey Siri. I think the assistant came on in the headphones, but I can't exactly be sure because I got a HomePod over there. But that's the gist of these headphones, guys. 20-hour battery, $300, extremely light, very durable. Fantastic bass, good mids. You're gonna be happy listening to every type of media you have. These are probably just as good for podcasts too. They're super comfortable. I could probably see myself wearing these all day. Much better experience after the second time we're trying them on because they're actually turning on now. The Bluetooth pairing was really easy, and you don't need an account to use these Bose headphones. All you gotta do is connect them with the app. Let's see what you could do really quick on the app. So you select from the app what type of noise cancellation you want. I'm always gonna have high-end noise cancellation on. And, oh, you can share music with another pair of Bose headphones. That's cool. Let's see, we go to the settings. So it's got a standby timer too, so whenever you're not using it, it'll automatically turn off to save battery. That's nice. Music share, product tour to show you what the product is like. Self voice, ooh. So you can, how easily you can hear yourself through these headphones microphone. Voice prompts, very helpful. All in all, this is a cool product, guys. I don't know if they've made a new pair of the Quiet Comforts, maybe a version 3, 35.3. I'm gonna have to do some research. If you guys know what's the newest version of headphones by Bose, leave them in the comments below. I heard the Sonys are a very good competitor to these, and I have yet to check those out still as well. But this is 2022. This product came out in like 2017, 2018. Still fantastic. If you guys want it, still an amazing purchase. I'm gonna have the link in the description below. You can pick them up on Amazon. I hope you guys liked the review. It's been about 5 years since this product's been out. And you guys know I've listened to my fair share of headphones, and these are pretty good. I gotta say, there's not much that can compete with these right now. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. We're giving an Oculus Quest 2 at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So there's a lot to give away, and if you guys haven't done so, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon, because we're gonna be giving a lot of stuff away on the channel. We're probably giving away something almost every single video, give or take. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.